Today I will guide you how to change Facebook profile to digital creator. So in order to learn that, you need to make sure to watch the video till the end so to prevent the mistakes in the process. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. First thing first, you need to open the Facebook application and here tap on three-line menu icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now tap on the profile of your Facebook. Here, when you get access to the profile page, tap on three dotted line. And here you can see the option of turn on professional mode. Tap on it. And here you need to go through all this information and tap on turn on button. And here tap on add details about yourself option. And at the top you can see the category. You need to simply select the digital creator category if you haven't done that. So once you have done that, you need to tap on save. And when you go back to the profile and scroll down, let's tap on see about info. And at the top you can see digital creator. That means you have already changed the Facebook profile to digital creator. I hope this video was grateful for you. If this was, then hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell, and see you in the next video.